Hello kids, welcome to my channel Maths Fun Learning. I'm your math teacher and today we are going to do an activity which is related to your shape. Not 2D shape, we are going to make a today 3D shape and the name of that shape is cube. Cube is made with the square, the shape square. So let's see what we need, what we require for this, for making a cube. You want some toothpicks and clay. So what I did, I chose my favorite color, one of my favorite color, and make a small balls of that colors. So let's start. Cube, you already know that it is a very special geometrical shape and it is made with the 2D figure square. So first let's make a square. How do we make a square? We just take a ball, clay ball, and prick our stick. Look here, like that, and see, square is very special figure because its all sides are equal. That's why we take a one type of stick only. All sticks are same in length. Yeah, look here, this is a square and this you can see now, this I made a 2D figure. So let's keep it aside. I give it to my Peppa Pig, one square. Now let's make another square. Because आपको पता है कि cube is a 3D figure. Let's make another square. Look, yes, very good. So you can do this activity at home and you will enjoy a lot because you all are play with the clays. Yeah, see, I made a two squares. If you can see, both squares are same in length. Yeah, like the two Peppa Pigs are looking same. See, 2D figure means it is a flat figures and we can measure only the length and the breadth. But how do we change this 2D figure into 3D figure? In 3D means dimensional, 3-dimensional. We can measure our figure with 3 dimension. So now I will give a length of this, height of this figure. Length is already here, breadth is already here. Let's give a height. Look, I give a one height here, and that height is also similar to our length and the breadth. Yes, very good. So clay is very good thing so that our toothpicks pierce it properly and easily. And then the next square I will put up of the figure. And now you can see the 2D figure is changed into my 3D figure. This is your cube. Yes. Now why we use just give some relaxed time to this shape so that it will become hard and strong. So let's see why we use here clay or sticks and learn its attributes. Okay, what is the name of this figure? Yeah, it is cube. C U B E. Cube. Let's learn about the faces, how many faces it has. See that we already made two faces now. You can saw that we made two squares. The upper one face, the down face, there are the two faces, and then the right side of the face 3, the left is 4, back is 5 and front is 6. The total number of the faces are 6. Right? Now let's see edges. Edges को we used here the sticks to find out the how many edges it has. So how many edges, how many sticks we use? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and this is 12. So total 12 edges are there and we use 12 sticks. Now let's count vertex. Vertex matlab corners. So here to find out the vertex we use here the clay balls. Let's see how many clay balls we used here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here we use 8 vertex, 8 clay balls. Right? So we use here clay sticks to find out the edges and vertex. So kids, I hope you enjoy this activity and you understand each and every attributes of the cube. So if you like this, so please like and subscribe and enjoy this activity. Bye and take care.